How will you feel when your channel with 58,000 subscribers that you have built over 17 years, how will you feel when YouTube deletes that channel just because you want to rebrand the channel? So this was the experience that a creator had that he shared on one of YouTube's page. So today's video is about some activities that you can make on your channel that could trigger either channel termination, demonetization, or even shadow banning. So let's read from what the creator shared. So here the creator said that I'm writing this out of desperation as my appeal are being auto rejected. I am the original owner of a 17-year-old channel with 58,000 subscribers. Note, the high subscriber count is from my history of over 100 million plus lifetime views before I deleted my old videos for rebranding. Okay, my channel was recently terminated for spam, scams, and commercially deceptive content. This is clearly a false positive triggered by sudden activities on a dormant account. This is the pattern. My channel had been dormant for the past 5 years. In January, I decided to return to YouTube and upload about 10 new videos, which is news commentary. So the error is this: the AI security system likely misinterpreted this sudden burst of activity on a long dormant account as account takeover or hacked behavior, especially since the current visible view count is low compared to the subscriber count. So what this means is that the views on the video is lower than the subscriber count. So now I am the original owner. I was simply reactivating my channel. I am not a robot. I did not buy subscribers and the account was not sold. So the current status: because of the first rejection, I am stuck in an auto rejection loop. Please escalate this case for a manual human review. If a real person looks at the channel's back-end history, they will see I am the legitimate owner returning to the platform. So this is the URL of the channel. Let me copy it. Let's see if the channel does exist. I don't think so. So as you can see here, this channel does not exist. So what are we to learn from this experience? I know most of us, especially if we want to rebrand our channel, what we normally do is to private, unlist, or even delete some videos on our channel. So now these activities could trigger the system to a false alarm, which means that you might be doing something that is not sensitive and the system will think that something is trying to intrude or a bot is trying to take over the channel. Like for example, when they hack into someone's channel, the first visible thing or the first thing they normally do is to just private audio videos or delete audio videos. So that is the common practice of hackers. So when you want to rebrand your channel, it is not wise for you to just like delete all your videos or private all of them at the same time. You can be doing them like batch by batch. Like maybe you can private 5 today, private 5 tomorrow. No, just something like that, gently, but not just on a stretch. When you do that on a stretch, it will trigger something. Like I have worked with a creator that had this kind of experience, but not as severe as this. So this creator, when he took ownership of a channel that has thousands of subscribers, the channel was monetized. So because the creator wanted to rebrand the channel, he now privated all the videos on that channel, and immediately the channel got demonetized. So this is a common experience, and that's why if you have worked with me, if you want to go this route, I normally say no, take your time, don't just delete immediately, because the system will assume that something else wants to take over the channel, or like hackers wants to take over the channel, because that is their way of operation. When they take over a channel, they just either they delete the videos or they private all the videos. So have in mind. And another thing again, your case might not be severe as this, like your channel being terminated or being demonetized, but I can guarantee you that if you escape these two, you won't escape shadow banning. So if you have noticed that your views, your views have been coming down recently, and without you making any changes, to the kind of content you make, just check back. Possibly you deleted a lot of videos from your channel, or you privated a lot of them. So this can also trigger shadow banning. So this is a way of the YouTube system to protect the platform. Like when this kind of activities take place, like many videos on a channel being deleted or privated, the system will just restrict that channel from their content from going or being recommended afar. So this could also cause you getting low views on your channel, which is also shadow banning. Now overall, like I know many of us, you might say, okay, if I have hundreds of videos on my channel, how can I want to make a rebrand, how can I do that? What you can do, you can start from the videos with lower views. Let's say you have 500 videos on your channel and you just want to bring everything down. The channel is monetized, the channel is okay, you just want to rebrand the channel and you have about 500 videos. So what I would suggest you do is that if you want to like private them, you start with those videos with lesser views. Because when anything, let's just say for example, if your channel has 10,000 subscribers and let's say like about 5 videos give your channel 5,000 subscribers out of the 10,000 subscribers, if you delete those 5 videos that gave your channel 5,000 subscribers out of the whole 10,000, it will trigger a false negative on your channel. So when you are deleting, be careful with the videos with higher watch time hours and higher subscribers count. Those videos that give you a huge number of them, just keep them for the last. And while you are making these changes, make sure that you are uploading new videos. You understand? Make sure that you are uploading new videos so that the system will also know that it could be the owner that is making these changes. Because as the videos are going down, the more videos are coming in and more views are coming in as well. So I felt I should share this with you because I know someone might fall victim of this unaware, and before you get back your channel, you might be unfortunate. It might be termination or demonetization or even shadow banning. Even the shadow banning is more confusing because you won't know what hit you, and you start assuming that maybe your content is not doing very well. So if this information was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have experienced something like this before, please, you can share it with us in the comment section. Let's discuss about it. And don't forget to share this video. Someone might need this information. Someone might be about to delete a lot of videos on their channel and they will need to get this information. So you can share this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.